Good morning, everyone. Welcome to one new session. We have completed the explanation of this lesson in previous class. An Indian American woman in space, Kalpana Chawla. Now let's discuss the question answer of this lesson. Okay, so let's begin with working with the text. Answer the following question. Question number 1. Where was Kalpana Chawla born? Why is she called an Indian American? You have read Indian American, right? Then here the question is, why is Kalpana Chawla called Indian American? So the answer is, Kalpana Chawla was born at Karnal in Haryana. She was born in India but married an American and became a naturalized citizen. So she is called an Indian American. कल्पना चावला जो है उनका जन्म करनाल में मीन्स हरियाणा में हुआ था और वो इंडिया में जन्मी हुई थी, बट उन्होंने एक अमेरिकन के साथ शादी की थी एंड वो नेचुरलाइज सिटीज़न बनी थी. सो शी इज़ कॉल्ड एन इंडियन अमेरिकन. Question number 2. When and why did she go to the US? Who did she marry? The answer is, Kalpana went to the US for higher studies in aeronautical engineering. There she married the flight instructor Harrison. Question number 3. How did she become an astronaut? What gave her the idea that she could be an astronaut? क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 है वो क्या है. इट मीन्स जो कल्पना चावला है वो एक एस्ट्रोनॉट कैसे बनी एंड व्हाट गेव हर द आइडिया दैट शी कुड बी एन एस्ट्रोनॉट. ऐसी आइडिया उनको किसने दी कि जिससे वो एस्ट्रोनॉट बन पाई. सो द आंसर इज, कल्पना हैड ऑलरेडी गॉट अ बैचलर्स डिग्री इन aeronautical engineering before she went to the US. She earned her PhD in aerospace engineering and in 1994 she was selected by NASA for training as an astronaut. She was encouraged by the people around her. Question number 4. What abilities must an astronaut have according to the journalist? जर्नलिस्ट के अकॉर्डिंग एस्ट्रोनॉट में कौन कौन सी एबिलिटीज़ होनी चाहिए. द आंसर इज़, एन एस्ट्रोनॉट नीड्स टू नो अ लॉट अबाउट बायोलॉजी एंड एरोनॉटिकल इंजीनियरिंग. He or she must have wide knowledge of science subject also. Question number 5. Describe Kalpana Chawla's first mission in the space. कल्पना चावला का स्पेस में फर्स्ट मिशन जो था वो हमें डिस्क्राइब करना है. द आंसर इज़, कल्पना's फर्स्ट मिशन इन द स्पेस शटल कोलंबिया वॉज नियरली 16 days लॉन्ग. कल्पना का फर्स्ट स्पेस शटल मिशन जो था कोलंबिया में वो 60 days का था. शी वेंट अराउंड द अर्थ 252 times. अमोंग हर colleagues were a Japanese and a Ukrainian astronauts. They performed so many experiments, around 80 experiments. Kalpana and her colleagues around 80 experiments they have conducted. Number 6. What does Kalpana Chawla say about pursuing a dream? Do you agree with her that success is possible? The answer is, Kalpana Chawla, a girl from a small town, touched the sky. एक छोटे से गांव की लड़की कल्पना चावला जिसने स्काई को टच कर दिया, आकाश को टच कर दिया. In her message to college students of Chandigarh from space, she said that it was always possible to realize one's dream. One could certainly get success provided one had the vision and the courage. Yes, I do agree. Here, the second question is, do you agree with her that success is possible? क्या आप भी अग्री करते हो कि वो जो सक्सेस है वो पॉसिबल है? सो हियर yes, I do agree with her on this point. Now here we have completed the question answers. Next, let's do another exercise. Read the newspaper report to find the following facts about the Columbia's ill-fated voyage. कोलंबिया का जो इल-फेटेड वॉयज था उसके रिगार्डिंग हमें रीड करने के लिए यहाँ पे एक न्यूज़पेपर रिपोर्ट जो है वो उसके फैक्ट के बारे में हमें बताना है. नंबर 1, डेट एंड प्लेस ऑफ लिफ्ट ऑफ. मीन्स वो जो प्लेन था वो प्लेन जब लिफ्ट ऑफ हुआ था, टुक ऑफ हुआ था, तो उसकी डेट कौन सी थी? 16 January 2003. On 16th January 2003, the Columbia Space Shuttle took off. Number 2, number of astronauts on board. जब वो कोलंबिया स्पेस शटल में जो लोग गए थे उनके कितने नंबर्स मीन्स कितने एस्ट्रोनॉट्स बोर्ड हुए थे? सो देयर वर 7 एस्ट्रोनॉट्स. सो we will write answer here 7. In the first blank we will write 16 January 2003. Now number of astronauts on board, then here we will write 7. Number of days it stayed in space. जो यहाँ पे जो थर्ड नंबर का क्वेश्चन है वो क्या है? द थर्ड नंबर क्वेश्चन इज नंबर ऑफ डेज इट स्टेड इन स्पेस. स्पेस में वो जो कोलंबिया स्पेस शटल था वो कितने दिन स्टे किया था उसने? सो द आंसर इज 16 days. अबाउट 16 days that Columbia stayed in space. Number 4, number of experiments done by scientists. How many experiments scientists have done? Then here we will answer 80, right? So this is the answer of fourth number, that scientists had done around 80 experiments. Then date of return journey, when they return their journey. So their return journey, the date of their return journey was 1st February 2003. And the last one is height at which it lost contact. मीन्स कितनी हाइट पे नासा के साथ उनका कॉन्टैक्ट जो था वो लॉस्ट हो गया था? देन 2 lakh feet. The answer is here we will write 2 lakh feet. At the height of 2 lakh feet, it lost contact with NASA. Now, next exercise, working with the language. Match the following. Number 1, unprecedented space tragedy. So, unprecedented space tragedy means a sad accident of a kind that has never happened before in space. पहले कभी अकर नहीं हुआ हो, पहले कभी नहीं हुआ हो ऐसा सैड एक्सीडेंट, इट्स कॉल्ड अनप्रेसिडेंटेड स्पेस ट्रेजेडी. So here we will match number 1 with F. Then number 2, certified flight instructor. Certified flight instructor means a person with the correct qualification to teach people to fly planes. So here we will match number 2 with E. Then number 3, space mission. Here we will join number 3 with D. A set of jobs to be done in space by a group. Then number 4, super specialization. Here we will match number 4 with G number, a great expertise in limited field or a particular subject. Then number 5, encyclopedic knowledge. Here we will join number 5 with B, having knowledge of a wide variety of subjects. It means encyclopedic knowledge. Number 6, awe-inspiring means A, something that causes feeling of respect and wonder. Now last number, in this age means nowadays, in this time means अभी की जो age है वो at present time. These are the matching of this exercise. Now let's do another exercise. Use this phrase in sentence of your own after finding out their meanings. Here some phrases are given. First of all, we have to write this meaning and then use this phrase in sentence. Number 1, broke apart. Broke apart means parted or separated. The two wheels of my bicycle broke apart suddenly. Second number, streaked over. It means left a thin line or work. The jet plane streaked over our house high in the sky. Number 3, spread across means became widely known or felt. The flu spread across the whole locality. Number 4, lifted off means rose from the launching site. The sentence is the helicopter lifted off the helipad with only 2 passengers. Number 5, blast off. The meaning of blast off is take off noisily. The spaceship blasted off at 2:30 a.m. sharp. Number 6, went on means continued. The discussion went on the whole night. Number 7, cheered along means encouraged. All the runners were cheered along by their fans. Number 8, on board means inside the plane. The huge ship had nearly 500 passengers on board. Number 9, carry on. The meaning of carry on means continue doing something. Here we have framed the sentence, she decided finally to carry on with her boss. Now second exercise. Here in this exercise we have to add on to make opposite words. An example is given here, true, then you and add as prefix, and here the word make it as untrue. So here add on to the words below to make their opposite. Then look up the meanings of words you have found in the dictionary. The first number is identified. So here we will add un. Here we will add un and the word will be as unidentified. Number 2, uncontrolled. Number 3, unattended. Number 4, unsuccessful, which means failed. Number 5, unimportant, which means petty or insignificant. Then number 6, educated, it means uneducated, illiterate. Then number 7, uninteresting. The opposite of uninteresting is dull. Then qualified, unqualified. The opposite meaning of unqualified means not having the qualification needed for the job. Then number 9, trained means untrained, raw hand without the necessary training or experience. And number 10, unanswerable means not fit to be answered. That's all about all the exercise and question answers of this lesson. Thank you everyone. Bye. Have a nice day.